Well then, Jasmine, say hello to Monkey. Say hello to Billy Monkey. Hello everybody. Hi there, mate. You've been doing the night shift, keeping an eye on everything. Yes, I have, Paul. Thank you very much, Monkey. As you can see, it's 14, nearly 15 degrees here, 54% humidity. Here's my new shelves. Looking really well. Yep, everything just needs a little water. Everything's drying out a little bit. I've got a stash of apricot Sprite there. And then some pinks, some carnations. In here I've got some Delphi, agapanthus. And they're my own seeds that are growing there. So I really enjoy that. These are my cuttings. They need a water. My pelargoniums. And these are my sweet peas, which I am so pleased with. These are root trainers. I'm going to buy some more probably next week. Sort some off in some toilet roll holders. Tubes, sorry. But I'll keep the top off that from now. As we go around, there's one of my carnations, one of my pinks that I grew from seed a couple of years ago. That is looking really well. As we go around, these are my White Star spring onions. Look at those, nice healthy growth on there. Let's just have a quick spin round. I'll just give you a quick water while we're here. Just with my water bottle, watering can. I like this because you can just squeeze it and get as much water out as you need, which I think is really neat and nifty. You don't have to put loads on. As you can see, just a little squeeze there. That's those watered. I'll be putting those on the next few days. As you can see, I've got a lot more room, double the amount of room on this bench now. I've got another set to put up further along here. We go around. It's 4:15 on a Sunday. It's been a beautiful day today. These fly traps are working really well. As you can see, a lot of fungus, gnats and midges. Some nice pelargoniums. Some penstemons, you can see here, growing really well. These are delphinium plug plants I got from Thompson & Morgan last year. So I'll keep cutting them back and we'll keep fattening up and they'll look really well. Some rose cuttings. These are some radishes here, which taste really nice. My little heater propagator, this is an unlit one at the top. Natural light. As you can see here, I have my begonias from last year just coming to life. So they should be nice. At the back there, as you can see, some nice roots coming on that one already. Some Thompson Morgan begonias at the front. Some Adalia cutting there. And some fuchsias that were from plugs last year. And they're starting to come along really nicely. This is my heated propagator bench. My beautiful begonia there. That is really starting to look nice now. I'll start feeding that in the next few weeks. My tomatoes. Oh yeah, man. Look at those. They are looking really nice. Spin that round. Chives there. You can just see that. Some coming through there. Pelargoniums at the back. Some petunias. These were from last year. See that bit of powdery mildew, so I'll spray them tomorrow or today. These are my cornflowers, which are looking really well. And here we have my first poppies just popping through. They're looking really nice. My lemon balm has come through nicely. Cornflowers there. Here I have, let's have a look, shall we? See there? Phlox. And what else is there? Can't pronounce that. I'll leave the lid off. As you can see there, it's starting to rot, which is not a good sign. Not a good sign at all. But I've got some seedlings coming through there. And none there, so I'll put that back. Leave this lid off. So yeah, that's just a quick tour around my greenhouse. Excuse me. Everything is starting to look really well. If you have any questions about anything I'm growing at all, please don't hesitate to ask. I'll get straight back to you. And if you like my videos, please subscribe. And from me and Monkey, just like to say, as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Say goodbye, Monkey. Goodbye, Monkey. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.